In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make OneDrive files available offline. By the end, you'll know how to save copies of your OneDrive files to your computer so you can open them without an internet connection. We'll do this right from the OneDrive website, using the download option. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the official Microsoft OneDrive website. This is where you can access your cloud files in any modern browser. Once the page loads, look for the Sign In button near the top of the screen and click it. Sign in with your Microsoft account to get into your OneDrive. If you use more than one account, make sure you pick the one that actually holds the files you want to save. After you're signed in, you'll land on your OneDrive home. To focus on your stored items, look for the Files area. This is the main view where everything in your cloud storage is organized. Go ahead and click Files to open that view. Now take a moment to look through your folders and documents. Scroll through your library until you find the file you want to have available offline. If you have a lot of content, browsing folder by folder works fine, and the search box at the top can also help you jump straight to a specific name. The key here is simply to locate the exact item you want to keep on your device. When you've found the file, move your cursor over it and click the three dots next to the file name. That opens a menu with actions you can take on the selected item. From that menu, choose Download. Your browser will start saving a local copy of the file to your computer. Depending on your browser settings, you might be asked where to save it, or it may go straight to your Downloads folder. If you prefer to keep things organized, you can choose a specific folder on your computer where you store offline copies. Once the download finishes, that file is now available offline on your device. You can open it without internet using the appropriate app, and any changes you make to this local copy won't sync back to OneDrive unless you manually upload or replace it later. A quick tip: check that you have enough disk space for larger files before downloading, and consider naming or sorting your saved files so you can find them easily when you're on the go. That's it. Visit the OneDrive site, sign in, open files, scroll to what you need, open the three-dot menu, and click Download. Repeat the same process for any other files you want handy offline.